It is the project PLC based automatic solar tracking system. First of all, we have to know what is solar tracking. Solar tracking system is for orienting solar panel towards the sun to maximize the efficiency of the panel. Solar tracking system tries to collect the large amount of solar radiation and convert it into usable form of electrical energy and store this energy into batteries for different types of applications. The sun tracking system can collect more energy than what a fixed panel system can. Automatic solar tracking system starts following the sun throughout the day till evening and starts again from next day. And why solar tracking? The output from the solar system is not completely sufficient for our needs. Why? Because there is a problem, that is the sun's position is not constant throughout the day. The output from the solar system depends on the intensity of sunlight and the angle at which radiation is being incident. There is a need to track the sun in order to produce maximum output throughout the day. The solution to the problem is our project solar tracking system and PLC based solar tracking. The automatic solar tracking system is developed by moving the solar panel during any time of the day that the sun is available, and the motor will move the panel to 90 degrees vertical angle directly to the sun. The system is controlled by a programmable logic controller which will process the data from the sensor and convert it to the output for the motor movement. And the operation of this project is, in this concept we are considering 5 positions: east, center, west, and 2 more are, one is between east and the center and second is between the center and west. To sense these 5 positions we are using reed switches, and to sense the direction of the sun rays we are incorporating 5 LDR circuits. In the entire day the solar panel will be in these 5 positions. Initially the panel will be in east direction, that is the first position of the panel, and then it moves to the second, third, fourth, and finally it goes to the west position. And this is the total block diagram of PLC based automatic solar tracking system. As earlier I said, we are considering total 5 positions, so we are using 5 reed switches to sense the position of the panel and 5 LDR circuits to sense the sun position. These 10 inputs are given to the PLC as inputs, and PLC converts it to the output for the motor movement to a gear motor. Here the PLC outputs are connected to the gear motor, and gear motor is connected to solar panel by some mechanical arrangement, and solar panel we are connecting energy from the solar panel and store it into a battery through a charger controller, and finally load connected to the battery. It is the PLC we are using in this project. It is HITECH automation PLC. From the RPS we are taking the supply. We are taking 2 supplies from the RPS. One is for the motor and second one is for the LDR circuit. These are the 5 LDR circuits we are using to sense the 5 positions of the panel. And these are the reed switches, and this is the magnet. These are the reed switches we are placing in the 5 position, and these are the magnets to sense the reed switches. Here it is the robo wheel, and this is the geared motor. Geared motor takes supply from the RPS, and this geared motor shaft is connected to the robo wheel. Whenever the motor rotates, robo wheel rotates. This robo wheel is mechanically connected to the solar panel. Whenever the robo wheel rotates, solar panel will also rotate. And this is the battery. We are collecting energy from the solar panel through a charger controller. And this is the load taking from the battery. Now the solar panel is initially in the east position, that is the first position. Here the LDR one is on. Whenever this LDR 2 activates, the panel rotates to the second position. And stop. Whenever LDR 3 activates, the panel goes to third position. Over here the reed switch 3 will be in the on position because the panel is in the third position. Whenever the LDR 4 activates, the panel goes to fourth position. Whenever the LDR 5 activates, the panel goes to the final position, that is early west position. And it stays in the west position only till the night. Whenever the next day morning, whenever LDR 1 activates, then panel comes to east position.
So up to now we have seen the panels rotating position from east to west in a normal condition. But due to some weather conditions or changes in weather, due to in the rainy season, now if the suppose the rain had occurred at the early morning and it has stopped at 12 o'clock, and by the time the sun had appeared again, in that case the panel will move from directly the east position to the noon position. So up to now we have seen this is the position of midday. This is the position at the noon position, and we have seen the sun here. And again after that we have obtained a sunrise. And by chance, if any rain had obtained in the noon position, it means around 4 o'clock or 3 o'clock, again the panel will start rotating, but it will not stop at west and come to east again by the time in the early morning. Now the panel is in the east position, so we have seen the rain at the early morning. So the rain has continued from till morning to evening, and we have seen the sunrise directly at the evening time only. So at that particular situation, the panel won't stop at second, third, fourth position, and directly comes to the fifth position. So now the sunrise has seen at the west position, and so the sun has set, and the panel will remain at the west position only. Again at the next day morning, whenever the sun rises from the east, the rays will fall on the first position, and the panel also comes to the first position.